Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you are looking at this hot mess that is on the screen right now, you are going to be in for a treat because you guys are going to watch me transform my kitchen drawers into a Pinterest worthy picture. So if you guys are ready, let's hop into this video.
Time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
I'm going to first clean out all the drawers so I can have a clean slate to start the organization process.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
So these are liners and you can use these anywhere. You can cut them to the size you need. I got these from TJ Maxx. They do have these on Amazon, so I will link some comparables for you guys. And I love the color of the liners, so that's why I actually went ahead and got these from TJ Maxx.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I found this wooden utensil holder on Amazon and I am so glad I did because a lot of them that I was seeing, they were just plastic. And I did not want plastic utensil holders, so this worked out perfect.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
So we did go ahead and pick up another set of utensils because the ones that I already have, I'm going to donate most of them. And we went with a color, I think this is like a dark gray. I'm not sure. I'm going to give you guys a close-up, but they are beautiful. And I didn't want a large cutlery set. I just wanted a small set, so I went with this 20 piece and this works out perfect.
I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Now with the organizers that I put in the drawer, I actually looked for these or looked for organizers for a long time, you guys. And I finally decided to go with these, and I am so glad I went with these because you can move these anywhere. You can shape them to the size you need. It works out perfect, and you guys will see here in a second how it all turned out.
No guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know
So I definitely don't think anything was wrong with the organizers that I already had in there. I just wanted to make sure I use every inch of the drawer space that I have.
Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why?
Here I wanted to show you guys how it has a spring load. That way it will fit any size drawer that you have.
Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but
I love these organizers so much that I bought some extra sets to do the drawers in our bathroom. You guys, these things are so inexpensive and there's just so many ways you can use them in your home. So you guys, look at all the spices that I have, and I like having my spices next to where I'm actually cooking at, so I just found a better way to put the spices in the drawer. So I found this organizer where you can put all your sandwich bags, the foil, and all that kind of stuff in there. And you guys, all the stuff I bought, it's not even from the same company, but because they're all white wood pieces, it actually looks like they did come from the actual same company. But you can organize this any way you want to because it is a magnetic piece. So it definitely does not have to go in the front like I have it here. It can go on the side just depending on the size of your drawer. But you still need to measure everything to make sure it's going to fit. But this was perfect for the drawers that we have. And as you guys can see, the parchment paper that I bought off of Amazon was so huge that it wouldn't even fit in there.
Would he prey on my weakness? Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get you out, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
So you guys, these are the new spice jars that I got. I am so in love with these jars. They have a wooden top on there, and it looks so aesthetically pleasing. You guys will see when I get done, but it comes with pre-made labels. If you do not want to put labels on there, you can definitely write them yourself, but I love the way this turned out.
You like I can do you like I yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I wonder why you want me by your side. Like all the time, you want my love all night. Telling me lies, baby, stop telling me lies.
So you guys, even after I finished taping this little segment, I went and got some more spices, and I put every jar that it came with inside this little space, and all 24 of them actually fit in there. So I was actually amazed that they all fit, and it didn't hit anything. This was just an amazing ideal.